Good morning to all. Welcome to all in online English class. Today we will read my English reader book. In this book we will read the poem At the Zoo. Look here children, there is a picture of zoo. There are different types of animals here. These are the faces of different animals. A very warm good morning to one and all. Today we will read poem At the Zoo. At first we will understand what is zoo. Zoo is a place where different types of animals are kept. Look here children, there is a picture of zoo. There are so many animals here. This is camel, giraffe, lion, chimpanzee, penguins. There are so many animals here. And children are enjoying in this zoo. Let us start now. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Visit means to go to see any place. In this stanza, poet wants to say that when you visit the zoo, you must be careful that what you say or do inside the zoo. Next para, don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. In this stanza, poet wants to say that don't make fun. Fun means amusement of the camel's hump. We should not make fun of the camel's hump. Hump means rounded projecting part. This is hump. This is camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Noble means that deserves praise, or in another words we can also say that that is unique bump. Camel is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. Here poet wants to say that we should not laugh too much at the chimpanzee. This is chimpanzee. We should not laugh at the chimpanzee because he thinks he is as wise as you or me. Means he is as intelligent as you or me. And the penguins strutting round the lake can understand remarks you make. Strutting means moving about proudly. Poet wants to say about the penguins. These are penguins. Strutting round the lake. Penguins are strutting round the lake. This is lake. Can understand remarks you make. Penguins can understand remarks which we make. These penguins, they can understand our remarks, our comment. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. Treat them means to act them as well as they do you. We should always treat with animals in gentle way. We should not tease them. If we will not tease them, then they will always be welcome at the zoo. Welcome means to be pleased to receive. They will always be pleased to receive us inside the zoo. That's all for this poem, At the Zoo.